I got Culver's. Let's eat. Look at it. You guys. I got a double butter burger. Lettuce, tomato, pickles, mayonnaise, ketchup, onion rings, cheese curds. And I may or may not have eaten some of this shit on my way here. Buttermilk ranch, boom boom sauce, Culver's signature sauce, which I've never had. I don't know what the hell boom boom sauce is. Regular buttermilk ranch. They season their shit so good. Let's get into this burger. Burger man. No napkins. Oh, I lied. Look at the salt on those onion rings. Listen, your girl can finish a burger. I'll never not finish a burger. So good. That was so good. Yum.